tex2solver also helps practitioners quickly solve those back-of-the-envelope problems, literally. From a smartphone, you can take a picture of a model you wrote in a notebook, on a whiteboard, or, in our case, an envelope. Once again, we'll select the Load from Image option as our input, choose Image, then select the option to take a photo. Let's take the photo of the linear program written on our envelope. The image looks good, so we'll click Convert Image to LaTeX. And then we can view the code in our editor. Next, remember to mark the start of the decision variable definitions using the Mark Decision Variables feature, like so. Finally, make sure to check the rendered model looks correct, and then proceed to generate the solver code. The solver code can be saved for later, or it can be emailed to you. Either way, you can then run the solver code when you log in on your computer.